If you look at this question, students, this determinant will get equated to a 7th degree polynomial. If that is the case, then what is the value of this constant term is the question asked. There is a hack to this question now. There is a hack to this question. Is it okay? What is the hack is, if you look at this constant a0, it is a term which is free from x, right? So if it is free from x, then we'll immediately put x is equal to 0 on both sides or everywhere. So what is this answer that we get? 0, -1, 3, then 1, 2 and -3, and -3, 4 and 0. This will be equal to a0 plus 0 plus 0 plus so on up to plus 0. Anything with x will become 0. So you expand this, 0 into 0 plus 12, 0 into anything is 0, plus 1 into, leave the row and column containing -1. So answer will be 0 minus 9, 0 minus 9 plus 3 into, leave the row and column. So 4 plus 6, that is equal to a0. So your answer will be 0 minus 9, 4 plus 6, 10, 30, that is equal to a0. So the value of a0 will be equal to 21 will be the answer to the question.